It seems to me that autism and many of these complex needs are on the increase. We need to do more to find out what is causing it. And if there is a reason, is there something cause it? Is it lack of some vitamins, or what is it? But we need to address that part of it as well, ministers, because there could be something that is causing it.
I think they're obviously deeply unhelpful and frankly deeply harmful remarks by Deputy Healy-Rae. I think they're remarks that come from a place of privilege, but speaking, I suppose, from a position of great ignorance about the experiences of autistic people across the country. Of course, when we frame the discussion around the cause of autism and the issue of autism, we seem to imply that it's autistic people who are the problem. What I think the Deputy is mixing up is apparent prevalence, where in the past we were not as effective at identifying and supporting autistic people as they grew up, to true prevalence, which is thankfully, as we've moved forward, as we've heard more from autistic people, we've become better at identifying autistic people and have the opportunity to support autistic people. It's estimated that 1 in 20 people in Ireland could be autistic. That's an awful lot of people in Kerry this morning who I'm sure will be deeply hurt. I think the appropriate thing would be now to withdraw the remarks. AsIAm is also presently offering training in autism to our Oireachtas members, and we'd love to see the Deputy there.